Hi everyone, my name is Tony and I will be demoing continuous profiling. What is continuous profiling? Profiling enables precise code level visibility into your application in a production environment scoped to a trace. Continuous profiling augments that by collecting production data on an ongoing basis and allows you to collect profiles that are longer than 30 seconds. To get started, you can simply use the Sentry SDK.profiler.startProfiler and Sentry SDK.profiler.stopProfiler functions to control when the profiler is started and stopped within your application. If you're already using this profile sample rate or profile sampler options, make sure to remove them when upgrading to continuous profiling. Let's take a look at this demo I collected by instrumenting Sentry's MyPy job with tracing and continuous profiling. On the profiling page, you can see a graph of the durations of various profile transactions, the slowest functions in the profile, as well as a list of all the transactions collected. Here, we can see the MyPy job that was instrumented. Clicking into a transaction, we are presented with an aggregate flame graph showing you where most of the time is spent within this transaction down to the function level and a list of profiles collected. You can also click into the event to see the full profile collected to analyze your application. Here, we can see MyPy is broken up into a few main stages. 1. Loading the plugins. 2. Loading the dependency graph. And 3. Processing the graph. Thanks for watching.